Alright, so truck died again, and I'm pretty sure it's the distributor. Just for demonstration purposes, when I was trying to figure it out the last time, no one could give me an answer. And it had hesitation on the way here to the Red Wing store. And when I was sitting here idling before I shut it off, it died. Exactly like it did last time. So I'm going to try and start it and show you the symptom. Hopefully you guys could hear that. I can't crank it much because I'm living on battery. My neighbor and friend is coming with a new distributor cap, which will go outside and we'll show you where that is, just in case you don't know. But we have no start. Your distributor cap is right in there. See it? Right there? All the wires coming out of it. That's probably the culprit. I'll let you know in a minute.